Hi, my name is Dominic, and I'm a second year astrophysics student. Um, I did my undergrad actually at Oxford, and during the fourth year of my undergrad, I changed from the normal physics masters to the masters in mathematical and theoretical physics. While doing this, one of the courses I really enjoyed taking was a kinetic theory course, of which the final part was using kinetic theory to study galaxies and how they grow and how they evolve structure. And I found it really, really cool taking these very simple, like nice mathematical ideas, sort of thing that you probably learn like quite early on during your undergrad, and applying it to like such beautiful, rich structure, seeing like trying to explain why you get spiral arms and things like that in galaxies. I thought this was really interesting. And so I got talking to a couple of people that did this sort of research. It's not very common, only like, a few groups around the world do it. Fortunately, one of those groups was here at Oxford. And so I ended up applying to do a PhD basically doing exactly that, using tools from kinetic theory to study how things like the Milky Way can grow spiral arms, how bars can form, and how like the halo can all interact with it. And so I ended up working with a guy called John Megorian, who does basically exactly this. It's been a really fun couple of years. I think it's a really nice mix of like nice theoretical like mathematics, a lot of like classical mechanics and understanding where like all this stuff comes from, but then also like some real practical applications, writing code to kind of solve my equations, and then finally like comparing it to like big data, things like the Gaia satellite that you may have heard of. So it's been really fun and really interesting. I'm a slightly weird astrophysics student that my office is over in the theory department. And so one of the things I really love about Oxford and like the setup that I currently have is that I can come over to the astrophysics department and like hear a lot about like what's going on in the world of astrophysics and like learn about all like different stuff from like planet formation to the CMB and back again. But then I can also like go to all like the cosmology, like all the theoretical physics seminars. So I can go to talks about like particle phenomenology, like really intense plasma physics. And I think because Oxford is such a large department, there are so many like fun, interesting things. And I think this always just like benefits my own research. Thank you.